Model, 2010 Volkswagen Transporter T5 2.0 TDI non-runner timing belt repair No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 264,029. MOT, the 9th of January 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PSC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start, timing belt has slipped. The van is popping from the intake, suspect bent valves and timing has jumped. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, alloy wheels, air con, cruise